So today I'll be doing a review and demonstration on the Dermaroller. A lot of you guys have been waiting on this. I've had this for 4 months. I've been using on and off for the 4 months, so I feel like I have a good overview of this. This retails from anywhere from $5 to $30 on Amazon, depending on the seller. I got mine for $6, but it took forever to come, so you already know it's from China. The lifespan is 6 months, so within 6 months of using this, you need to get a new one because the needles on this can go very crooked, and you don't want to be using crooked needles on your face. What this does, it improves your skin complexion, it improves hyperpigmentation, dark marks, and all that other stuff, fine lines, wrinkles, anything that you have a skin issue with, this will help with it. And also stretch marks. The effective one is the 0.5 millimeters. That is the one that I have. Anything below the 0.5 millimeters not gonna give you the effects that you want, like improving dark marks and stuff. It's just gonna make your serums and other stuff that you use on your face penetrate into the skin more, and that's about it. But the 0.5 millimeters does everything, and then the 1 millimeter is for skin, not even skin, like your body skin I'm talking about. That's what the 1 millimeter is for. And they have a stamp instead of the roller. They have like a stamp that you just stamp on your skin instead of the roller, but I chose the roller because I felt like I needed the roller. So basically this has improved my dark marks. I've been breaking out from what, August, and now it's what, September. So I've been breaking out a lot, and I've been using this to take away the dark marks that are on my skin. It's been helping a lot, especially when I do this and then I put my AHA or a retinol treatment, my polysterized clinical retinol treatment on. After this, it just, like, I don't know what it does, it just boosts my skin and just make everything look nice and smooth, and the dark marks are fading and all that stuff. So I really love this, and if you try this, please make sure that when you're rolling your face, you lift it off. Like if you roll this area, you lift up the Dermaroller off the skin and then roll in another direction. Don't keep the roller on your face when you're moving directions, because you're gonna rip your skin, because these are like fine needles. These are not to be played with. And if you see in my demonstration, it actually comes in a little plastic container. Oh, mine is open. It comes in a plastic container like this. You use alcohol to sanitize it. I don't know why I'm saying and you put it back into the case and into wherever you're keeping it. This is an amazing product, and it works for stretch marks too, because I've tried it on my stretch marks on my legs. So that's This actually have alcohol in it, 100% alcohol. And that's how you sanitize your brush. You dip it in alcohol, just like to spray it. And then I put it back in my case. Go ahead and try it. It's cheap and it's effective. So I hope you like my video and like my demonstration, and if you want to see more skincare videos and reviews like this, I'll see you in my next video. Deuce.